Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about concat function, which is the inbuilt function in Excel. This function combines the text from multiple ranges or strings. Concat replaces concatenate functions in the recent version of Excel. I will show you in the file now. So the syntax is concat, which is the inbuilt keyword, and we have to put parentheses open, text1, text2, and like that. We can go up to 255 number of texts in practical or in real scenario. And in here, what we have to do is we have to just put equal to sign and then find the keyword. And we can see here concatenate, it is deprecated, and in the recent version of Excel it is replaced with concat. I'm going to use concat, text1, text2, text3, then text4, close the parentheses and hit enter. And for the rest of the rows we have to just put the mouse here, drag and drop. That's all. And in this file I'm going to show you how to concatenate the text which are not in the file but you want to add something extra. So this is the spreadsheet made by me to create the user accounts in Active Directory environment. And here on the first column, these are the username, and I have to create the email for them. Let's do that. So I want to achieve the email in binodtech.com domain. So if I want to do that manually for this large number of users, it will be very time consuming and it will not do the job as required. So using the formula, let's do that. Delete it. Just use equal to sign, find concat, username, comma, and we have to put the string inside the inverted comma. So it will be at the rate .com. We have to close the inverted comma. We have to close the parenthesis. Let's make it black. It will be visible for the video. So after doing that for the first row, for the second row and so on, we just drag and drop, and this will do the job for us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos.